Welcome to another PUNS demonstration of the Engineering Maintenance Module workflow. In this video, we will walk through the complete end-to-end process starting from creating a work request at the depot, approval of the request, budget creation and approval, work process classification as tender, project capture, vendor creation, tender creation, assignment of tender to contractor, sample material submission and quality check, billing and payment, and finally work completion certificate generation. Let us begin. Creating a work request. Log in as Manager Depot, or Manager Engineering, or Junior Engineer at the depot. Navigate to Engineering Maintenance Work Request. Enter the name of the work, priority, activity, estimated cost, and date of submission. Add work item details. Upload the required supporting document and click the Submit button. A success message appears confirming that the work request is created successfully. Approving the work request. Log in as AGM Engineering, Manager Engineering, or Junior Engineer at the divisional office. Go to Engineering Maintenance. Work Request Approval. Search for and open the newly created work request. Click on the Approve icon to approve the request. A success message appears confirming that the work request has been approved successfully. Adding a budget for the work request. Log in as AGM Engineering, or Manager Engineering, or Junior Engineer at the depot. Navigate to Engineering Maintenance. Budget. Select the work request name and select the authority. Enter the estimated cost and submit. A success message appears confirming that the budget has been added successfully. Approving the budget. Log in as DGM Engineering, or AGM Engineering, or GM Regional at the divisional office. Go to the Engineering Maintenance Budget list. Search for the budget entry, then click the Approve icon. A confirmation pop-up appears asking whether you want to approve the budget. Click OK to confirm. A success message appears confirming that the budget has been approved successfully. Classifying work process as tender. Log in as AGM Engineering, or Manager Engineering, or Junior Engineer at the divisional office. Here we have continued with Manager Engineering login. Navigate to Engineering Maintenance Work Process. Select the work request name and choose the work process as tender. Click Submit. A success message appears confirming that the work process was successfully classified. Viewing project in project list. Log in as Manager Engineering, or Junior Engineer, or Divisional Manager at Division, or GM Regional, or AGM Engineering, or DGM Engineering at Region, GM Engineering at Zone, or GM Engineering at HQ. Go to the Engineering Maintenance Project list. Search using the project title. The system displays the list of projects. Capturing project details. Log in as AGM Engineering at the regional office. We have continued with the AGM Engineering login. Navigate to the Engineering Maintenance. Capture project. Select the project name. and enter the stipulated start date and stipulated completion date. Enter AES amount and TS amount, and fill in all other required details. Set the project status to started, then click Submit. A success pop-up appears confirming that the project details have been submitted successfully. Adding vendor. We continue with AGM Engineering login. Go to Engineering Maintenance. Add vendor. Enter vendor details, including name, address, revenue district, PIN code, authorized person, email, phone number, registration date, type of firm, and validity. Fill other required fields. And click Submit. A success message confirms that the vendor has been added successfully. Creating tender. We continue with AGM Engineering login. Navigate to Engineering Maintenance. Tender. Select the project name and enter tender number, name of work, publishing date, period of completion, ECPT, last date of submission of bids, and date of opening of bids. Click Submit. A success message appears confirming that the tender has been created successfully for the selected project. Assigning tender to contractor. We continue with AGM Engineering login. Go to Engineering Maintenance. Assign tender to contractor. Select the tender and contractor name. Enter work order number, work order date, percentage type, tender amount, stipulated date of commencement, stipulated date of completion, agreement number, and agreement date. Click Submit. A success message appears confirming that the tender has been assigned successfully. Sample material submission. Log in as Manager Depot, or Divisional Manager, or GM Region. Navigate to Engineering Maintenance. Add sample material. Select the tender number and enter the date of submission. Add the material list and submit. And submit. A pop-up confirms that the sample material has been added successfully. Viewing sample material details. We continue with the same login. Go to the Engineering Maintenance. Then Sample Material List. Open the record using the View option. The system displays the complete details of the submitted sample material. Material Quality Check. We continue with the same login. Navigate to Engineering Maintenance. Then Material Quality Check. Select the tender number and authority. Enter tested at institute, inspection date, and type of test. Add the test result and remarks as quality result materials. Click Submit. A successful pop-up appears, confirming that the material quality check has been submitted successfully. Work test check. We continue with the same login. Go to the engineering maintenance. Then work test check. Select the tender number and enter the actual test check percentage in the actual test amount check. Click Submit. A success message confirms that the work test checking has been completed successfully for the tender. Raising billing request. Log in as a junior engineer or a manager of engineering at the regional office. Navigate to engineering maintenance, then billing request for project. Select the tender number and enter bill date, bill number, and bill amount. Click Submit. A successful pop-up appears, confirming that the bill request has been raised successfully. Billing approval. Log in as AGM Engineering at the regional office. Go to the engineering maintenance billing. Then approval project list. Select the tender number and bill number. Enter bill approved by an approved date. Click Submit. A success message confirms that the bill has been approved successfully. Payment for project. Log in as AGM Engineering at the regional office. Navigate to engineering maintenance. Then payment for project. Select tender number and bill number. Enter expenditure percentage, expenditure incurred, and payment date. Click Submit. A success message confirms that the payment is completed successfully. Work completion certificate. Log in as AGM Engineering or DGM Engineering at the region. Go to the engineering maintenance. Then work completion certificate. Select project number and enter agreement value. Enter the date of completion of certificate and the reference MB number. Select Approving Authority, enter date of completion. And click Submit. A successful pop-up appears, confirming that the work was completed. In this video, we completed the full engineering maintenance workflow from work request creation through budgeting and approvals, tender classification, project capture, vendor and tender setup, contractor assignment, sample material quality checks, billing and payments, and finally, the generation of the work completion certificate. This ensures transparent tracking and approval-based processing of engineering maintenance works in the system. Thank you.